Hello everyone, my name is Maria Zatolovska. I'm executive producer of such films as Searching and Unfriended. And I'm happy to be here at the Cyprus International Film Days Festival for the youth program. And I'm here looking for new screenlifers. Screenlife is the new innovative film language. And we're making films about our digital life. If you want to learn more about Screenlife, please visit our website screenlifer.com, where you can find more educational materials on how to make your own movies.
Hi, we're very excited to have Maria with us today to talk to us about Screenlife, the technique, the narrative technique of making these movies, as in Searching, which is a 2018 film about a father looking for his daughter, searching for his daughter through screens. And it's a technique that was also awarded in Sundance, that says a lot, and it won the audience award. So we're very happy to have her with us to explain the secrets behind this technique.
Hi everyone, we're here at UCLan Cyprus and we're really happy to be hosting the Cyprus Film Days for Children and Youth Festival with a special screening of the film Searching that's accompanied by a masterclass that's focused on Screenlife, a new storytelling technique on how to tell stories using just your screen. So we're really happy that we get to host this event here in Larnaca for the first time this year, and we hope that this tradition continues on to the following years and keeps growing.